ACIT is a collaboration between London College of Communication and London South Bank University, and it's a funded project where we're coming together to share our expertise with SMEs who are interested in using immersive technology in London. We're here with a number of companies from London for our one-day innovation sprint, where we're going to work with these companies to get their projects off the ground, begin to identify challenges they face, and identify opportunities for us to support them in an academic or tech capacity.
I got to talk to some of the other attendees, and that was extremely interesting because everyone's doing very different things.
I work in the kind of mental health and tech space, so using technology to empower people's ability to express their emotions. Just being here and being around people, for me, it's really nice because these are all people who are doing really creative, beautiful things with technology.
Everybody's got their own little niche activity, but it's just great to kind of talk and share and network.
When there's other people that have started businesses that have got more experience than me and they're like, look, apply for funding here, and I'm like, oh, this is just great knowing all this information, so it's been really helpful.
This session is about design thinking. It's a really good process, I believe, for business, especially like startups like us, to figure out how do we produce a product or a service that is really connected to our consumers.
My professional experience to date has all been about making films.
I run a small media production company with my husband.
I'm creative director and founder of my own creative technology company.
How do I reach them to deliver things that they want, from idea to reality?
We're touching on roadmaps now, and I'm primarily a creative person, and I tend to think of things intuitively. So the discipline, the rigour of planning and scheduling and creating milestones, absolutely important.
I've made a lot of contacts today, exchanged a lot of emails, taken a lot away from today. It's basically given me a structure. I didn't have structure. To have a timeline, to know the people that are going to be involved to help me develop the project.
I don't necessarily understand the technical aspects of a lot of these technologies, but I think this course has maybe allowed me to think about how then I can go and find out that information.
To know the people that are going to be involved to help me develop the project, where before, originally I was just thinking, oh, I'll do Unity and I'll do it all myself, when really you can get a team of people to help you develop your dream and your vision.
Because, you know, I know that I can't do everything, so it's about, you know, finding those teams.
It's been a really good experience today working with these companies. It's great to have such a vibrant mix of ideas come into the room. So this was just the first of these one-day innovation sprints. So we're really excited to meet new companies for our next round of innovation sprints that will start in January 2020.